Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Let's move on to the Rothera's test procedure. So first is you have a saturated 5 ml urine and you add ammonium sulfate. So after adding ammonium sulfate, you add the liquor ammonia. Liquor ammonia, how do you add it? You add it to the side of the test tube. Then you might find a purple ring. The purple ring is found where it is at the junction. It means it's positive. No ring means it is negative. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.